doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
Not me.
Not Hermione.
You. Are you ever vlogging? See that 141 the other night? Cut the goal similar Salah. Don't worry about it.
You sound like it's your own team.
Yeah. Big fan.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 3. Already.
Tell me about it.
It is Friday morning, and you know what that means. It's gonna be Friday. It's gonna be Friday. Stay.
Not whilst. It will stay until I start driving.
Hi guys, happy Friday! I don't think I've vlogged at all since this morning when we were like half asleep about to go coffee.
Did you vlog then? I can't even remember.
We were in a daze. Anyway, it is, what time?
6.
6. Finished work, I got my first Vlogmas up, and now we're heading to my parents' house. I'm currently marinating, which is why I look crazy. Also, does anyone else, like, as soon as you go to your parents' house, you literally pack your whole life in a bag? Like, it's one night.
She's
Where's she? Hi, sleepyhead. Hello. Ah, hello. Hello. And I have my ring on, and I don't remember taking it off. I swear I'm the worst. Thank God for insurance, am I right? I'm now at mum's in the spare bedroom. My bedroom. Not really my bedroom, because I've never lived in here, but what I like to call my room. I love how my mum decorated this room. Like, it's just so vibey. Vibey is my new word, and I need to stop. Anyway, I thought I would do a little unboxing for you guys. I just got a really exciting package in the mail. This is from Izzy. I think her business is called Holly and Hamish. She is a subscriber, I think a long-term subscriber, and she reached out and asked if she could send me something, which was just so sweet. So I thought I would open it on camera. I actually have no idea what this is. Oh, Merry Christmas, Ella and Nick. That is so cute. I have no idea what's in here. This actually feels like Christmas. Oh my god, this is so beautifully packaged. It's like too nice to open. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. It's a little personalized acrylic bauble. That is so special. It's like rose gold. This is gonna fit perfectly with our tree. That is so sweet. Thank you so much. This is her business, if anyone that wants to check her out. I'll have her information linked down below if you guys are looking for anything. This is so cute. This is such a nice like gift idea, especially if people are like newly engaged, newly married. This is so sweet. I love it. Okay, thank you so much. Anyway, that's my little unboxing. We're now gonna chill out. We're looking after Lily time. My parents are out, but they were meant to. The original plan was that we were going to come here and look after Lily because they were going to be gone for like the whole night, and she has a bit of separation anxiety ever since Coco died, so we were going to come look after her and just like hang out. But my parents, I mean, they're still going out, but their plans changed, so they won't be gone for that long. We still came, we're still here because I like hanging out with Lily and my parents. It'll be nice to wake up tomorrow, maybe go get a coffee, go for a beach walk, like just hang this side of town. Now that we live in a different area and like different side of town, and we're a bit further away from our families, we kind of have to be a little bit more intentional about like how we do things. But yeah, not long until we're back on this side of town, which will be so exciting. I have so much to update you guys. I really want to upload my next house hunting vlog, but I simply cannot until this one thing is rectified. But I can't wait to update you guys. It's anyway, thank you so much, Izzy. Definitely check out her small business. I think she has a bunch of different personalized stuff. I'm gonna have a look on her website actually. Oh, she's from Tasmania. I love Tasmania. Etsy. That is so cute. You best believe I will be ordering one of these when we get a dog next year. Mark my words. We will be getting a dog next year and I will be getting a personalized bauble for my dog. Good morning. Good morning.
I'm ready.
Happy Vlogmas Day 4?
4?
4
Oh,
already?
That's 5. 4.
Wow, look at your house. It's looking so Christmassy. Look at this cute little snowman that Mum got. Isn't he so cute?
Did you look under in there? Look.
Yeah, Nick did. Nothing.
See nothing. Oh dear. I look a bit weird. No, don't. We're gonna go out for breakfast and then come back and then I'm gonna make my Christmas ice cream, which is super easy.
Do you
I'm
have a
making a big
recipe?
deal. I do have a recipe for it. Yeah, I do.
I'll share
You're sharing it?
it. Yeah.
Okay. And then, yeah, I don't know what we're doing after that actually. It's a free Saturday, which is really nice.
Dab it and then it gets everywhere.
Wow, she gets the good kind of peanut butter.
Oh yeah.
Only the best.
I mean, he doesn't like it.
Hates it. Okay, bye. Good official morning, you guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 4.
I don't know, they look.
Me and Mum are having a deep discussion about wedding chairs.
It's not really his fault. I said I understand you really.
Susie and I are now going to do a bit more Christmas shopping.
I like going with somebody else.
It's
Dad doesn't like
fun.
Christmas shopping. He's in, out.
In, out, shake it all about.
That's it.
Oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Vlogmas Day. I don't even know what day we're up to. 5. It is the 5th of December, Sunday morning, and we have just driven to Chiba. We're going to go get a coffee and then go for a walk. It is such a beautiful Saturday morning, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Stunning.
Stunning. Just like me. What else are we doing today?
Cleaning the house because it's quite messy.
Yeah, just doing our weekly clean. That's about it, really.
Chill out.
A slow Sunday.
Yeah, absolutely. Slow vibes need it because it's just a really hectic time of year, I reckon. And when you do have the opportunity to slow down and reset, I think you should take that.
Yeah, we're both so busy at work.
But, you know, not forever. 3 working weeks and then it's Christmas. That's 15 working days. Think about how quick one day at work goes.
I know. Think about how quickly this last working week went.
Yeah.
Times that by 3, we're there.
Are you at a stage at work where it's just kind of all blending into one day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's me every day of my life. That was violent.
Keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are for the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Hi you guys, how are we doing? Let me pop you down, have a little chat. It's like 3 o'clock. Nick and I just finished cleaning. The house is looking spotless. I really don't think there's any better feeling than like cleaning the whole entire house, like top to bottom, full deep clean, like chef's kiss, looks incredible. And then getting into the shower and doing like a full body clean, like exfoliating, shaving, like washing your hair. Like there's really nothing better, and that's what I just did, and I feel incredible. I even blow dried my hair, which I never do. I'm too lazy. I just let it air dry unless I'm like going somewhere. So I feel great. I feel $1,000,000. I've had such a lovely little weekend. You guys saw. It's been super low-key, and I've done a terrible job of vlogging. Maybe you haven't seen because I just literally have not shown you anything. Even when it comes to my weekly vlogs, I tend to vlog less on the weekends, which literally makes no sense. It's when I'm doing the most and when I have the most time to vlog, but for some reason I just don't pick up the camera. I need to get better about that. Maybe things will change this vlogmas. Anyway, I thought I'd show you guys some of the stuff I picked up from the shops. Me and Mum had a pretty successful little shopping trip. I got some Christmas presents and also some presents for myself. Just some stuff that we needed. And then this morning Nick and I went to Target. I got some stuff so we could start our Christmas wrapping. So I got 2 rolls of wrapping paper. I love this one. I love like the brown papery look when it comes to wrapping, and then this one with the little wine gold stars. They were like $3 each. Hopefully it's good quality. There's nothing worse than like thin, crappy wrapping paper. Like I'm all about saving money, but I end up using like 3 rolls to wrap a simple square present because it just breaks. And then we also got some little sticker labels. I thought these ones were so cute, and they were like $2. And then I also picked up a couple of gift bags. Not for anyone in particular, but I feel like you always need a gift bag when it comes to Christmas time. So again, super cute. I also got a couple of things for Nick, which I can't really show you because he watches my videos. I guess I can show you guys what we got his parents. Hopefully they're not watching this. If they are, please stop. We got them both a book as part of their presents. We got The Dessert Game by Reynold from MasterChef. I am so out of touch when it comes to MasterChef, but I know his mum enjoys watching it and she loves cooking, and this looks really great. Like, is this a present for her or is it a present for us? And then for his dad, we got The Game, a portrait of Scott Morrison by Sean Kelly. So you look so serious. Like that is not a flattering photo of Scott Morrison. I'm sorry. I'm just saying. Yeah, this looks interesting. What happens when the Prime Minister views politics as a game? A must-read account of a man, a time, and a nation. We are the nation, guys. We're the nation. Yeah, hopefully he enjoys that. And then also while I was at Kmart, I picked up a big ass glass jar with a wooden lid. I thought this would be perfect for our new Nespresso pods. You guys gave some really good storage ideas in my last vlog, but I thought this was a good little option for now. It was like $10 from Kmart. I know there's some really cool like ones that have like the drawer organizer on Amazon. I got my dad one actually last Christmas. That's a really good present idea if you guys are looking for one. He loves it and it looks so cool. So maybe eventually we'll end up getting one, but for now I just got this as an alternative, and we can use it for anything in the future, for like rice or sugar, flour, you name it. And then you guys, I'm so excited. When I ordered an espresso machine, I tried to order one of these online and they were out of stock, and I was like, no, the shipper sailed, I missed the memo. But no, I went to the Nespresso shop in Marion and they had a couple left. I know I'm like 5 days late, so I've got catching up to do, but I got the Nespresso advent calendar. This is the Virtuo one, obviously, because we got a Virtuo machine. I thought this would be so fun to do in the vlogs, like opening it up every day and having a coffee. Like, is that not so fun? A little coffee taste testing. Also a really great opportunity, because we just got our machine, if you guys watched the last vlog, a really great opportunity to like try all the different pods. Oh, number 24 is large and in charge. Oh my god, look how pretty it is. Is that not so cool? I have some catching up to do. I'm gonna open number 1. What do we have? We have Intenso. Number 2, Potato. Oh, it has the little intensity levels on here. That's cool. And number 3. Ooh, she's pink. Tacanto. I absolutely butcher these names. I love that color. Number 4, Master Origins Costa Rica, an intensity 7. And then we have today's. Number 5. A decaf? Really? You know what? I'll give it a go. It is 3 p.m. Maybe I could do with a decaf. Let's try this. Oh.